Good day, friends. I'm going to show you steps on how to digitally sign on your document. So first of all, we have this document which has been developed. It's about the CBN cashless policy. So the first thing I will do will be to insert date on this document. So I'll go to insert, I'll move to date and time. Then I'll choose 16 February 2023. So I'll set this as a default and I said okay. So that has been inserted to this document. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to sign on this document. Assuming that they've worked on this document, we've typed and everything is okay, and now we want to sign on this document before we send it out. So how do you digitally sign on it so that when we're transmitting it and sharing it digitally, nobody can alter this? So what I'll do will be to do, first of all, get an empty Word document that I will use to digitally sign on it. So I'll go to insert, I'll move to shapes, I'll use scribble, then I'll sign my signature. That's my signature. Now I want to retrieve this signature from this Word document. So what do? I'll go to file, save as. Now I'll change where you have save as type, change it to a web page, then call it signature. So I'll put it in the same folder. So notice what has happened. If we open to the folder, we'll see the web file content that has been created. There's a folder here. So I'll click open that folder and I'll now retrieve or pick this picture file that has been created. That picture file contains our signature. So I'm opening it for you so that you see how it's going to look like. So that's our signature. So I'll copy this out. Then I'll paste it outside here. So this is a picture file. You can see it's the file format is GIF. So I'll right click here and I'll call it my signature. So that's the first thing you need to do. You need to have your picture, your signature in picture format. Then I'll return back to the CBN document which I developed. Close this. So we have our date, we have our content, 3 ways on how to deposit all Naira notes. Then I'll click where I want to sign. Then I'll move to insert menu, then click on signature and line or signature line. So you have an initial statement here telling you you can use Microsoft, a third-party digital signature structure, or you can rely on Microsoft signature that is built with your Windows operating system or Office to get the work done. So I'll click OK. I want to use Microsoft. So the first thing it's asking is for my name. I'll type my full name. And it's asking for my title. My title is I am an ENGR. Then my email address. I'll type my email address. Then I will tell it not to show any signature against any date, since I already have a date. Allow the signer to add comments. I don't want that, so I'm taking that out. So I have this created. So I'll double click on this, then return back to the folder. Then I'll click here to select the signature that I've just created, and it's there. So note this: before signing this signature, this document, verify the content you're signing is correct, because once I click on sign, nothing can be changed on this document anymore. So I'll click on sign. So I'm waiting for it. So it will be signed on Word, and you can now send this document in document format across the internet to anywhere. So the document has been signed. Nothing here can be deleted. Nothing here can be edited. So if you look on the right hand side, you can see that this document has been signed. This document is signed. Any edit made to this document will invalidate the digital signatures. So in case you really want to destroy this, make changes, then you really have to destroy this signature or recreate the document all over again. But the way it is now, you can show it on Word and nothing here can be changed. That is how you can digitally sign on your document. Thank you for listening.